Hey guys, Kim here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing. I finally bought an iPad. This is the 7th generation. Also, I'll be unboxing this Apple Pencil. The only Apple product I owned is actually a MacBook. I'm not sure, is it a MacBook Pro? I just got from school. And so I'm gonna be unboxing this. I had to trade in my old iPad, which I also got from my school 2 years ago. I traded into Best Buy. It was a really easy process. So yeah, here we go. Ooh, super excited. So basically, just like any Apple product, well, I can't believe it's just the picture is just the sides. Um, I'm not sure if these guys are already pre-charged, probably, but I'll try to set it up. And it's really hard to unbox with one hand, especially when it's kind of like, like vacuum sealed in a way. So, yeah, we'll go from here or whatever. Okay, so I took out the plastic thing, and the nice feature when you open the box is it got this plastic tab. It kind of looks like a pencil case, so I'll probably recycle it to that. But yeah, it's easy to slide it off. And let me see here. From the back, oh, this one is just for, when you have a regular pencil where the eraser part is, that's how you charge it. All right, got you. Ta-da! That's basically it. And then if you need maybe like instructions and stuff, you have this. And oh look, I didn't know this. Got a tip. Just a tip. And I guess this is how you charge it. Or is this an extra one? I don't know. I wonder if they put like stickers. Sometimes you get like free Apple stickers. I guess not. Maybe it's just the iPad. So, but this is basically it. It feels really light. Actually, not really. It has a little bit of weight to it. Like you are holding like a jumbo pencil, but kind of thinner, like a regular number 2 pencil. Ooh, the tip is really, it's not too soft, like medium, like firm. Okay, now let's open this guy right here. Hold up. Okay, let us open this. Oops. Alright, now that it's out, now, hold up. Okay, this is really hard to open with one hand, so I need my 2 hands for this, because you have to like lift it up like this. But basically, ooh, now we just gotta take off this tab. There's a charger over there, and then you got the brochures. This is the USB cables, charger, and then let's see if you get like stickers and stuff. Nope. No, actually, I think that's it. Why is it so thick though? Just like thick cardboard. There might be something there. It's just hard to, no, actually that's it. Oh, actually there it is. There's the Apple sticker right there. You see the stem. But anyways, this thick of a box is mostly just cardboard, just to protect the device. Let me see if I can pull this tab. Aha. Ooh. Kind of like gift wrap. It's always satisfying for me. So I got this color. I wanted like a, was it gold or rose gold? But anyways, this should be fine. Why, hello there. So you gotta tap it. I guess you gotta tap. And then you gotta click your language. And then you gotta click or find your country, which is, I'm here in the US right now. So I gotta go all the way to the U. Okay. United States. And then we gotta set it up manually. Now I gotta click my Wi-Fi, and it's a long password, so I'll be right back. Why, hello. So the last time we spoke, I'm still setting up my iPad, and now I'm at my dining table, and I actually put in I thought it's called a finite cover, but it's actually from a company here in the US, I think. This one is made in the USA. Fintai, but I really like their cases. I used to have this case for my iPad, like the 5th generation, and I've been using it for like 2 years, and the only thing is this, like, over time it just cracks on the side for multiple bending use, but it's really easy to just slide in your iPad and just tuck it in, and there's like 3 grids in there, so when you have to set up your iPad like this, all right. Okay, so now we got it all set up. This is the apps I downloaded. We're gonna click off the sketchbook app, and I really love this app because, first of all, it's free, and there's a bunch of free brushes, pencils, and stuff like that you can see on the side, and you can put layers, add layers, adjust your layers and stuff. That's pretty neat, I think. I'm not really sure if the layers on this for the iPad is limited, because I know the mobile app, I think it might be like 3. But I really like the textures and the modes of these like free pins. I'm not sure if you can actually like make your own brush. I'm not really sure, and I'm not sure because this is just free, and I'm not sure if you can buy anything from here. I'm not really sure. I still need to like play around this a little bit more, but yeah. Let's see, you can customize like your sketches. You can save it to your gallery, adjust your preferences, and there's like a bunch of like, what was that? Like how you swipe and stuff. But that's basically it. I'm not sure if I want to buy the Procreate, because with this one, I saw like a bunch of like Procreate videos when, for example, you draw a thing, right? Once you draw a thing, you can just grab a color and then just drop it there or something. But but this one is all pretty much manual. Like you have to let me see here. Like if you want to add like a color for that layer, okay, you just gotta fill it in yourself, which is kind of, tiresome sometimes. But if you like filling in the spaces, that's cool too. But yeah, love this app. Really excited to use this. Do I think that an iPad is worth it? I think for the convenience of it all, I think it is. And since I bought this at Best Buy and I have a credit card at Best Buy, I got the 12 months financing. And I also, since I traded in my old one, I kind of saved a little bit, but it kind of like splurged with the Apple Pencil. And I think it's just kind of convenient for me to just, I don't know, like I'm still not sure about how AirDrop works. But I think it's kind of convenient to just like drop it and import it to my MacBook. But other than that, I mean, everything is okay for now. The Apple Pencil, because I wasn't sure like how you know like how much battery is left. So, and actually I didn't know it's Bluetooth. I'm such a noob. So I just plug it in here, and then I asked Siri like how much battery the Apple Pencil got, and it says, oh, 94%. I didn't know Siri can actually answer that question. I thought you can pull it off like, like in any computer, and you can see like how much if it's charging and how long or blah, blah, blah. But anyways, everything is pretty easy to use. So other than that, no complaints here. I'm really happy with my purchase for now. Really excited to use this. Anyways, stay safe out there. Make sure you're wearing masks and make sure you're still social distancing and all that. And yep, take care. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now. Woohoo!